In this quick guide, you'll learn how to open a bank account with RBC Royal Bank. Whether you're looking to manage your finances more efficiently or simply need a new place to keep your savings, opening an account with RBC is straightforward and can be done right from the comfort of your own home. To get started, head over to the RBC website, or if you prefer, open the RBC mobile app on your smartphone. This flexibility allows you to choose the platform you're most comfortable with. Once you're on the home page, look for the accounts option at the top of the page. Clicking this will present you with a variety of account types to choose from, such as checking or savings accounts. Consider your financial needs to decide which type is best for you. When you've made your choice, click on Open Account or Apply Online to initiate the application process. This will lead you to a form where you need to enter some personal information. Be ready to provide your full name, date of birth, email address, phone number, and home address. Ensuring this information is accurate will help avoid any delays in processing your application. The next step involves verifying your identity, so have a valid government-issued ID on hand, such as a passport or driver's license. RBC may also request additional details like your employment information and tax residency status to comply with regulatory requirements. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review the account specifics and agree to the terms and conditions. This is an important step as it confirms your understanding of what the account offers and any obligations you may have. If prompted, you'll also need to create a username and password for online banking. This is crucial for managing your account securely and accessing RBC's digital services. Depending on the bank's protocols, you might be asked to verify your identity through the RBC app, a phone call, or by visiting a nearby branch. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for approval. Once approved, your RBC bank account will be active and ready for use. Keep an eye on your mailbox as your new debit card should arrive within several business days, and that's how to open a bank account with RBC Royal Bank. With these simple steps, you are now all set to enjoy the benefits of convenient banking with one of Canada's leading financial institutions.